Take your slow motion from this to this. If you're shooting slow motion on a DSLR or mirrorless camera, it may not have the features that come with a lot of cinema cameras, but that doesn't mean you can't get great slow motion with the camera that you're using. My name's Cam, I'm a technician at Pro Photo Rental. I've been a videographer and cinematographer for 10 years now, and I wanna give you my tips for shooting slow motion that I wish I would have known when I got started. Let's dive into it. So the first tip, shoot higher frame rates. If you don't know, video is a series of still images that are strung together to create the illusion of motion. The human eye kind of registers normal day-to-day life at 24 frames a second. So for shooting slow motion, you want to set your frame rate to be higher than 24 frames a second so that it doesn't get jumpy and cutty, because you need more information in the camera to be able to track with what's happening. The more images that you have, the more detail that you're gonna get in the final image. Tip number 2, you wanna pay attention to your shutter speed. And the reason for this is it's gonna create the most natural looking motion blur when you bring that into post-production and slow it down. The shutter speed refers to the amount of time that the shutter in the camera is remaining open. The shutter speed is measured by seconds or fractions of a second. So the lower the number of your shutter speed, the longer that the shutter is going to stay open. So in having said all of that, the general rule is that you want your shutter speed to be roughly double whatever your frame rate is. So if you're shooting at 30 frames a second, you'll want to set your shutter speed to 1/60. If you're shooting at 60 frames a second, you'll want to set your shutter speed to 1/125. Whatever shutter speed is closest to the 2x mark, that's what you want to go for. So hopefully you found this helpful for shooting better slow motion video. If you have any questions, you can always call us at the shop or email us at service@prophotorental.com. But that's it for this video. My name's Cam. Thanks for hanging out with us today.